Huge news in tech. Micron Technology, a top memory chip maker, just unveiled a $200 billion plan to boost U.S. chip production. Let's explore what this means for America's future. Micron's investing $150 billion to expand U.S. manufacturing. They're building a new memory fab in Boise, Idaho, upgrading their Virginia facility, and planning up to 4 factories in New York over 20 years. Plus, $50 billion will fuel research to keep America leading in innovation. Why is this a big deal? Micron's focus is high bandwidth memory, or HBM, the tech powering AI. From autonomous cars to cloud computing, HBM's the future, and it's now made in the USA. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang calls this a game changer for AI, and he's right. This aligns with President Trump's push to bring chip supply chains back to America, cutting reliance on foreign production. It's not just about chips. Micron's plan will create 90,000 jobs across the industry. That's a major boost for communities in Idaho, Virginia, and New York. Micron aims to produce 40% of its DRAM, key chips for computers and AI, right here in the US. They're also bringing advanced chip packaging to America, making us a global tech hub. This builds on a $6.2 billion CHIPS Act subsidy from December 2024, plus $275 million to modernize Micron's Virginia plant. It's a bold move for U.S. economic and national security. Micron's $200 billion pledge is a commitment to America's tech dominance. Stay tuned for more on how this shapes AI's future.